Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction and a good deal. Features also include premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system, voice-activated command system. Make a great choice today with the 2015 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.